Vermicomposting, a guide to eco-friendly waste management. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and environmentally friendly process called vermicomposting. Whether you're an English language learner or just interested in sustainable living, this video will give you a clear understanding of what vermicomposting is and how it works. Let's dive in. Vermicomposting is the process of using worms, primarily red wigglers, to convert organic waste into nutrient-rich compost. This method is a natural way of recycling food scraps and other biodegradable materials. Unlike traditional composting, vermicomposting is faster, odorless, and can even be done indoors. One of the key benefits of vermicomposting is its environmental impact. By converting waste into compost, we reduce the amount of garbage sent to landfills. Additionally, the compost produced is an excellent fertilizer, enriching the soil and helping plants grow without chemical additives. Starting your own vermicompost is easy. You'll need a bin, bedding material like shredded newspaper or cardboard, worms, and your organic waste. It's important to maintain the right moisture level and avoid overfeeding the worms. We'll go through each step in detail to ensure your vermicomposting journey is successful. Maintaining your vermicompost involves monitoring moisture levels, ensuring the worms are fed regularly with the right kind of waste, and occasionally harvesting the compost. We'll discuss how to troubleshoot common issues and keep your worms happy and productive. I hope this video has been informative and inspires you to try vermicomposting. It's a simple yet impactful way to contribute to a healthier planet. Remember, every small step towards sustainability makes a difference. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.